Title: Hero Splendor Plus, the timeless commuter king bike empire. Introduction. Welcome to Bike Empire. Today, we're diving into one of the most trusted names in Indian motorcycling, the Hero Splendor Plus. A bike that's more than just a machine, it's a legacy of reliability, efficiency, and everyday practicality. Design and build. The Hero Splendor Plus carries forward its classic commuter styling, simple, purposeful, and instantly recognizable. With its sleek body graphics, chrome accents, and practical ergonomics, it's built for those who prefer function over flash. Its upright seating position and comfortable handlebar setup make it ideal for daily rides through busy city streets. Engine and performance. Under the tank sits a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers around 8 horsepower of power and 8 newton-meters of torque. The engine is known for its smooth, vibration-free performance and unbeatable fuel efficiency. Paired with Hero's i3's start-stop technology, it offers remarkable mileage, making it a top choice for commuters who value economy. Ride and comfort. The Splendor Plus is designed for all-day comfort. Its telescopic front forks, dual rear shock absorbers, and well-cushioned seat ensure a smooth ride, even on uneven roads. Whether you're riding solo or with a pillion, the balance and stability remain impressive. Features and variants. Hero offers the Splendor Plus in multiple variants, including models with self-start, alloy wheels, and i3's technology. The instrument cluster is simple but functional, giving you all the essentials at a glance. With a wide range of color options, there's a style to suit every rider. Verdict. The Hero Splendor Plus isn't about speed or flash, it's about trust, economy, and practicality. It continues to dominate the commuter segment by delivering exactly what Indian riders need: durability, mileage, and peace of mind. Outro. That's all for today's review of the Hero Splendor Plus. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Empire for more honest and detailed motorcycle insights. Ride safe and keep exploring.